I want to do a survey of the muscles that we see on different models, on the torso model, on the arm model, and on the leg model. But I want to kind of just talk about the actions that I'm going to describe as I'm going through this. And specifically the ones that kind of hit me as maybe a little bit difficult to understand are the ones that have to do with the arm. So in the arms, if we abduct, we move away from the midline. If we adduct, we move back to the midline. If I move my arm forward, this is actually flexion of the arm. This is actually extension of the arm. And then to make it a little bit more interesting, this is medial rotation of the arm. This is lateral rotation of the arm. And so I'm going to talk about that when I get to some of the different muscles in just a few minutes. If I'm talking about the trunk, then flexion of the trunk would be this, or flexion of the thigh would be this. That would do that, as in psoas major. If I'm talking about the foot, if I bring the foot up, that is dorsiflexion. If I bring it down, that's plantar flexion. So this is inversion, and this is eversion. I know that that's correct. Elevation, depression is another thing. Another important movement is retraction, as in the rhomboids retract the scapula, or protraction, moving the scapula away from the midline. Those are basic things that we kind of need to have in our head as we're thinking about all of this.